Daylight time for the following county: York County, Virginia, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Chesapeake, Hampton, Newport News, Norfolk, Bogosin, Portsmouth, and Virginia.
This may be our last day on Earth.
Because it's been
Look at that! We're gonna die. There's a hurricane outside.
Looking at William Bernstein's video there.
I don't know what to do. It's not even here yet, but it's coming.
Very heavy. We haven't had any reports of a tornado on the ground, but I guess I have to put it this way. Does it really matter if it's a tornado and the winds are 100 miles per hour, or straight line winds and it's 100 miles per hour?
Oh my God, we're
singing voices, no Rolls Royces, no whack choices, no volunteers getting peers on career years.
that's when you know it's gonna be bad. She took down the umbrella. It's gonna be bad. Taking down the umbrellas in the pool, so it's gonna get bad.
Y'all ain't seen nothing spinning there.
No, not yet. We just turned on the news. Yeah.
Some of y'all flip like what's never got. What we're gonna do right here is go back. Way back. No comeback stories, no corny choruses, no glories, no hallelujah.
Let's get our car and drive around. Do the tornado warning just in case you didn't know. We should just tell.
Gas ups, no soups, no Lex Coops, no crackers, no backers, no niggas for no black.
No, but look at that. I know, it's really scary. It's literally circling. I wish I could show it on this. It's fucking crazy. If they start coming down, it's gonna take like 2.3 seconds for it to form, and then we're gonna die. Fine, come on. Look at all these clouds. They're moving too fast and forming too fast. Yeah, I'd rather. You hear that loudspeaker? I bet that's them saying, "Get the fuck away!" There's a tornado. That's probably the bass saying that. Yeah. Let's get it closer.
Daylight time for the following county: York County, Virginia, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Chesapeake, Hampton, Newport News, Norfolk, Bogosin, Portsmouth, and Virginia.
I know you're out there. Can you believe that 681 or something like that strikes a minute?
780 strikes.
Yeah, we're morons.
So far, since the storm happened. Now there's probably like 1,200. We need some motivation music. Here we go!
Or even wanna diss them. Then you call your girl like, what the hell you gave me? She like, don't blame me, you better do like Jamie. And blame it on the liquor. He works every time. What's wrong with you, my nigga? I know it's somebody's birthday. Well, where you? And I know you're thirsty, but don't know where your glass is.
What if it strikes a tree next to us? Oh my God! It's a good song. Say ah! Say ah!
There you go. Pop champagne, cause we got no that dough. Let me hear you say ah.
Oh my God, we're gonna die.
Hey, it's Art from Norfolk, and my music is commercial free on C104.
I have to drive slow, so I'm sorry to take last night.
Couldn't even get an answer. I tried to call, you'll probably let me down. And I'm sitting here
In this freaky weather. Tornado.
in the way I feel.
I feel scared. Me too.
Like a child.
Holy shit. There's another puddle, I think. Oh, maybe not.
I know you can hear.
Look at that down there. Holy shit. Flooded.
I know you can feel it.
One lightning strike, two lightning strikes. It's three lightning strikes. I'm all figured out, but nothing to say. If you want crazy in Virginia Beach, you are going to die because thunder and lightning. I guess it's gonna be a good night. In the side your car. Good night. That tonight's gonna be a holy shit. You see that on the other side? Ah! Lightning! No! Woo! Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money, let's make it up. Like, oh my God, there's fucking lightning. Let's get on. We'll have a ball. Get down and go out and just move it on. I feel just wanna let's go. Let's go way out. We are going 35 on the freeway. Lightning. Virginia Beach! We're on Norfolk! Let's do it! Let's do it! Let's do it! Let's do it!